Hello, this is Colonel Sanjay Pandey, and with me is Shubhankar Chaudhary.
Hey everyone,
And this is the roundup video
for our first month.
for our first month, which we'll call October month. Last 5 days, Monday through Friday, on each topic, we have been releasing videos. And we have been getting tremendous amount of feedback, either in form of comments on the YouTube channel itself, or from friends directly on WhatsApp, or Twitter, or all other platforms where we have been posting. The major sections or niche, we will call it, which is our specialty, which we'll be covering on this channel. Monday, national security. Tuesday, youth and mind power and my practiced leadership. Wednesday is entrepreneurship and business. Thursday is veterans and forces widows. And Friday is military tales and under the sun, any topic. Basically, Friday is for light reading. And Saturday is a roundup. This being our launch month, so we actually did not know how to proceed. So, what we decided was that we'll take a roundup on Saturday, communicate with you, and if there are some major burning issues which we want to convey to you, or otherwise, we'll do that. And hereinafter, we'll take a call as to when to do the roundup. Before I start, there's a personal communication I want to give to every listener, every subscriber, everyone who has watched. This is an unconditional apology I am rendering to each one of you for certain mistakes which crept in our videos. Since our videos are candid, extempore, we don't follow any script, it is our first hand experience, there is a tendency that we go completely, we get so much involved that we don't even know what we are talking about. So I believe there are some cuss words which crept into our script. And a very good, very close friend of mine brought this to my notice on Wednesday evening at around 4:55 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., we had called in an emergency. Me and Shubhankar, we went through the 14 videos we had uploaded on Tuesday and Wednesday. We went through every frame, every word, and we edited and deleted. I am rendering an unconditional apology because this responsibility is mine. Our channel will be one of the cleanest channels you will come across on YouTube. From grandfather, grandmother to the grandchildren, all of you, regardless of gender, will be able to forward our links to each other. And if there is anyone who has noticed those cuss words which crept into, for that I render this apology. As I talk to you, the channel is absolutely clean and each and every episode has been checked by us. Coming to the main headings and the feedback, I will hand over the entire thing to Shubhankar so that he shares his thoughts. We have gone through every comment and we have made our own comments for this particular roundup video.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shubhankar.
Yeah, so we looked through all of the comments, whether we received them on social media or whether we received them on YouTube in the comment section, as well as comments that we have been receiving from friends and family personally. So aggregating all of that, approximately 5 or 6 points really stood out to us. Number one was that you asked us to improve our sound quality. So that is something that we are actively working on, and that we understand that since we are very, very new to this setup, we just have a very, very basic lighting setup, a very basic small microphone that we use for all our videos. So we are working on that, and definitely over the next 1 to 2 months, you will see a marked improvement in our audio quality. Secondly, we noticed that almost every video, or practically every video that we have uploaded, has received very appreciative comments. Everyone has really appreciated the diversity in our video categories. from entrepreneurship right down to leadership, youth mind power, talking about widows, the plight of widows and the status of veterans today, talking about these hard-hitting issues to the lighter issues such as military tales and under anything under the sun, as we like to call it. So the diversity that we are trying to propagate on this YouTube channel was something that we ourselves were not very sure about whether it would be something that you would take to. But based on this initial launch week, we realized that all of you have really enjoyed it. The diversity in all the topics, that is. Out of all of this, though, we realize that life lessons and military tales is something that all of you have found very enjoyable. At least that's our reading till date. I would actually invite all of you, after you watch this video, to let us know in the comments what was the one category that you really enjoyed. Because our job is simply to focus on the areas that you lead us into. Next, we found that a very normal thing for us was that when we decided to shoot all our videos, we just sat down and started talking from our experiences and what we have lived our lives like. That was something that we were not sure if would be something that you guys would really like. But as it turns out, maximum people have told us that this sort of a podcast type atmosphere that we create, where we just talk candidly without a script, right off the cuff, is something that you have enjoyed. So if that is not the case, do let us know. There's a very big section of the audience as of now that has been asking that for all our videos to be put in Hindi, and that is something we are working on. As of right now, it's just the two of us doing everything from planning these videos to shooting it, setting up the lighting, to recording the audio, editing the videos, uploading it, making the thumbnails, putting them on social media. So we are just learning everything. As we make each and every video, we learn one thing more, and hopefully our quality and everything, every small grievance that you have we are going to be actively working on it to improve it. With the Hindi content also, that is something we are trying to figure out how to do it, what would be the best way to do it. But we definitely hear you. We are going to start putting out much more Hindi content, and the idea that we have is that for every English video we put out, we must put a Hindi version of that as well. So as soon as we get things a little streamlined, within a month or so, we will start. You will start seeing much more Hindi content. The idea for this channel, at least for the next 2 to 3 months, is that we want to give you all related episodes in one go, like you would see on Netflix, that one season just is released altogether, rather than doing the thing that most YouTubers do, which is to release one video every second day or one video every week and stretch it out for a year. So because all our videos are very tightly interlinked to each other, we are actually working 10 times more, in the sense that we work on a model where one entire month's lot of videos across all categories. So maybe it'll be around 4 to 5 videos per category. So every month you can expect around 20-25 videos from this channel, which will be releasing the first week of every month as per the schedule that we have followed this week, this launch week. And we'll be doing that for the next 2 to 3 months. If you don't find that to be very interesting, do let us know. We are absolutely open to making the schedule as per what you feel is more convenient. We can make it one per day or however you like it. So this is something that we started off because we thought that a Netflix model would be like where we just drop all the videos in one go would be something that you would really enjoy. So this is all the feedback that I have collated, sir. I think if you can just go over the feedback that you would want to put out, then we can discuss, how we want to take this channel over the next 2 to 3 months.
Right. Thank you, Shubhankar. The connect between you and us, please remember, it is direct. We have only one aim of this YouTube channel: to talk out of our own experience, talk truth, talk practical, talk actual. If we haven't done it, we don't speak. I don't know how many of you would remember, there is a poll I carried out before even we had put our first video on 27th September, in which I had mentioned four categories: national security, youth and mind power, entrepreneurship and business, and veterans and forces widows. You'll be surprised, the least percentage polled was by entrepreneurship and business. Today, the highest viewership is of entrepreneurship and business. And as a response to that poll result, I had tweeted that my focus will be on how to get entrepreneurship and business at the top. So I'm not a defeatist, I will fight. If 49% was received by national security and merely less than 5% by entrepreneurship and business, my aim was how to get entrepreneurship on top and not encash on national security because it has 49%. So that's the type of effort we are putting in into the content, which again, as I say, is actual, real, what we have undergone. That is what differentiates us from anyone, any YouTube channel. We do not do research and take out topics and then make bullet points and talk on them. No, we simply take a topic and sit in front of the camera. Most of the time you will see that we are talking. At the most, there are bullet points which we just make so that we don't miss out anything. There is no script. Memory is something that, yeah, you want to say so many things, so we just note down our own bullet points, whatever it is. We don't even discuss amongst ourselves. I'll quickly go over some points which Shubhankar has said, already covered. One is about the equipment and the audio quality and all this. We are amateurs. We have no idea how to do things. We just have a passion. We just want to do it. And we put in the basic equipment here so that we at least have a good picture, good video, and okay sound, and a okay type light. You'll have to bear with us till December. And we don't know what to invest, how much to invest, so we are carrying out our research. The launch has taken place. Videos are going to be put up, like Shubhankar said, only in 1 week. And that 1 week starts from the first Monday of each month. So from Monday to Friday and maybe a Saturday roundup, and balance month, nothing happens. So entire October, you will find nothing. November 1st is Monday. You will again find those 5-6 days very hectic for us, and we'll be uploading a lot of stuff. So we are going to do it once in a month. So maybe from December onwards, you'll find a difference in quality of audio, of the set. There are certain things we don't even know irritate you. There is someone, my daughter told me, my son-in-law told me, and friends told me, my habit of keeping my specs here, I think goes back to 10 years, 15 years. I don't even realize it. But then they said, no, it is distraction. So you'll see it's not here. Someone told me that the frames behind us, they are cut. So they are distraction. So now you'll see there are no frames behind. So we are also trying to. Audio equipment, we have to buy something. So everything costs money. So we are going to put, our intent is very simple. We will connect with you directly. And that's why we have been saying that we will never ask for subscribers. Our connect is with you directly.
Yeah. Although if you did want to subscribe, it won't hurt us.
No, we are not being arrogant about it.
Yeah, we're not trying to actively discourage you or anything. It's simply that we value your time and we don't want to...
Intent, basically the intent that we want to convey to you is that it's that genuine thing that we want to convey it to you.
Yeah.
And you like it, you spread it amongst your friends. So let the growth be slow. But then the people who subscribe are the ones who are serious. Yeah. So more than numbers, probably we are focusing at quality, whether it is subscribers or even the content that we are putting up. So this was about the equipment and everything. Podcast is something that we have been getting a lot of feedback. Yeah. We had absolutely no idea. We've started our research today. Today was the first day we got. So we are exploring that as to how to put all these things on podcast. I have also got a lot of inputs from very senior people also that your series is very good, whether it is entrepreneurship, youth and mind power and everything. Why don't you put bullet points on screen? So how can anyone, read, listen to it and note it down? So if you put a summary, if you put down something on the screen, so it's very easy. We can take a screenshot and all that. actually have not given a thought to it, and I don't think I'm going to take it seriously for a simple reason. We are not teaching anyone. We are not teaching anyone at all. We are not even teaching you. We are simply sharing what we have undergone, and we know it succeeds because we have bled our toes. We know it. You try and Google it to find out ki whatever these guys are saying, so it must be in some curriculum. No, you'll not find it there. Someone says no, moral courage is a trait. Someone says no, moral courage is this. No, we are not going theoretical. If some people have put moral courage under some head or the no, I'm not interested in that. I am interested in, do you know what exactly moral courage is? Do you follow it? So it's going to be different. So I will consider, let us give us some time whether we are actually interested in teaching. I don't think. We'll rather come to your organization and sort out the entire organization sitting and discussing with you rather than wanting you to take down notes and trying to implement something you don't even know existed. So that is another thing about national security was the first set of episodes with Professor Sonali Chidalkar from Miranda House, Delhi University, and me talking. The type of reviews I have got is very surprising. People say this is absolutely out of blue topic. We have never thought about it. The type of inputs I have received from serving military people also surprises me. And that so they say that okay, the more you talk about it, probably it is going to help our national security. They have been suggesting topics. And there is one more thing people have been telling me. Get guests for your talk. Let me be very, very honest, and I'll be very, very frank with you. If there is a military guest who comes on our channel ever, unless I know that person personally, or if I don't know him personally, unless he signs and uploads his veterans declaration, I don't think I'll ever invite him. I value the veterans declaration too much, I value character too much, and I will not let anyone assume that because of a rank he gets a clean chit on character. No, it's a mandatory thing. If it has to come, if he has to come on my channel and talk, else I know someone personally, so you can take it. I'll vouch for him.
For those of the viewers who don't follow you on Twitter, sir, or your website, why don't you just tell them quickly what is Veterans Declaration?
Veterans Declaration it's not official. It is a declaration I have given, which is pinned on my website www.colonelsanjaypandey.com, and it also is on YouTube on my channel under Veterans Declaration in Hindi and English, in which I am giving you complete rundown of my entire career from my class 1 to date, in which I very clearly say what is the type of leadership I followed, whether I was corrupt or not, if I have ever misused my position, if I ever misused my position to get award or to get a promotion or to get a preferable posting or anything. The thing is that my career in army, I do not want you to assume because I wear a side cap or medal that he's a veteran, so he has to talk truth. No. No one knows what I have done in those 25 years inside. So I have given my declaration, which, if proved false, social media will tear me off. If I have put my entire life and I have put my entire reputation at stake by making that video or writing that declaration, I expect exactly the same type of people to come on my show. So if I am not satisfied, they don't come. If they have to come, they have to sign the Veterans Declaration. I think it's fair enough. And if I don't get any guest ever and people say, no, we'll not sign, this is attitude, fine. That's it. That's not my attitude. That's the attitude of the channel. This is what the channel is. Blunt, upright, truthful, honest, with moral courage to call spade a spade, which we shall do. And with this, I think we can close this roundup now. Not very sure whether this is the right time to have, since this is the first week. Monday to Friday, we have uploaded videos and carried out a roundup on Saturday. Maybe entire month October, we'll see. 1st November onwards, we'll again upload our videos. and that time maybe we'll come out and say when is the right time to carry out a roundup. Till then, thank you very much for being with us. Please recommend us to your friends, relatives, children, their friends, only if you are convinced that this channel is coming out exactly as per what I have told you and what we both have conveyed to you. Thank you so much. And me and Shubhankar, thank you all once again. And my apologies for those things which I told in the introduction. Thank you for being with us. Trust me, I am Colonel Sanjay Pandey and Shubhankar saying bye to you. Bye bye.